Tesla is one of the most exciting and volatile trades out there. And instead of spending tens of thousands of dollars buying shares, I'm buying long-term options called LEAPS. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how LEAPS work and the tremendous potential that they have to make a lot of money, as well as the risk. And then I'm going to break down and show you a real live trade example on the option trading platform. And be sure to watch all the way to the end, as there's a couple of expert tips. Before we dive in, one thing I ask, one thing only, smash that like button down below. It really helps out the channel, and I appreciate it very much. You're certainly welcome to subscribe as well. We're at an all-time high for subscribers, so thank you very much. And check out the link down below for the free options workshop. And there's a paid course as well if you're new to trading options or if you just want to level up your game. So what are LEAPS options? Well, LEAPS stands for long-term equity anticipation securities. So, in simple terms, what they are is they're just call options that don't expire 30 to 45 days out in time, but much longer out in time, close to a year out in time or even more. And why does that matter? Well, if you're going to buy 100 shares of a stock like Tesla that's trading at $340 per share right now, 100 shares is $34,000. Well, one option contract, one LEAPS contract controls 100 shares of stock, and you can control that same 100 shares for less than 20% the cost that it would cost to buy the 100 shares outright. That's right, 20%. So you're basically paying less than $8,000 to control the same 100 shares versus the $34,000, and you're freeing up that remaining $26,000 as backup in case you want to invest in something else, and you've got that money free should there be a pullback in the market or whatever. So why Tesla now for this LEAPS option strategy? Well, Tesla is currently trading around $340 per share, which is like 45% below its 52-week high that was $489 just back in December. This discount offers a potentially attractive entry point to gain exposure very cheaply. Looking longer term, Tesla remains a powerhouse of innovation poised for massive growth beyond just electric vehicles. The robotaxi vision alone could redefine ride-sharing economics, and the full self-driving technology roadmap keeps pushing regulatory and technological boundaries. Tesla's ambitions don't stop there. The Optimus humanoid robot project could unlock an entirely new market vertical, and visionary investors like Cathie Wood continue to forecast multi-100% gains over the next 5 years based on these transformational bets. And of course, never underestimate Elon Musk's ability to pivot, innovate, and disrupt industries with his singular vision and relentless drive. Owning Tesla LEAPS right now is a way to position for all these big long-term growth drivers at a discount to the peak stock price. What's the best way to structure the Tesla LEAPS option trade? Well, we want to pick an expiration that's about 1 year out in time. And then we want to pick a strike price that's in the money, or near at the money, but still in the money. And what this does is it balances the intrinsic value. It provides intrinsic value and upside leverage when the stock price moves up. So we want to balance that cost versus leverage. Let's jump into the option trading platform, and I'll show you how it's done. All right, guys, here we are on the Tasty Trade option trading platform. It's my favorite platform, super intuitive, and there's a link down below. Check it out in the description. There's some benefits if you go through my link. Now, we're punching in Tesla here in the upper left, the ticker TSLA, and we're on the trade page and table mode. Now, this shows the different option chains, and what we're going to do is we're going to look out close to 365 days, 1 year out. So we're going to go to this 352 option chain and open that up. So we just click on it, and it opens up the August 21st, 2026 option chain. Now here's at the money. We're trading right now at 341. Tesla's up big today, $3 or 3.6%. So we're going to go in the money, and it's an expensive stock, $341. So instead of paying the $34K, we're going to pay $77.60. We click on the buy, the ask right here on the right. Calls are on the left, puts are on the right. Now the buy is to buy options, or you could sell if we were doing a different strategy. But to do the LEAPS option, we're going to buy. So we're clicking on the 340 right near at the money, but in the money. You can pay a little bit more at the 330, go in the money as well. This is the 64 delta. That's fine as well. The deeper in the money you go, the more closer that it's going to mimic owning the 100 shares of stock outright. But because of the cost, it's a cost benefit analysis. I'm very bullish Tesla, so I don't mind going near at the money. So we're going to click on the 7760, and if we go to here's the midpoint right here. So $7,730 versus the $34,000. Now, if we close this, or what we can do, let's go to curve mode right here. And this is what I love about the Tasty Trade platform. You can see, just like owning the stock, as the stock price moves up in value, we make continued profits. So right here, if it gets up to 535, that is going to be $11,740 at expiration. But just to double our money to $7,700, that's, look at this. Stock only needs to get up to $495. Now, a lot of people have the target above $495. It is a big move, but it's going to get there. It's just a matter of time. But okay, so let's get back to this. We're going to go 7730. That's the mid price right now. And then we're going to go back to the table mode. We're going to close this up, and I'm going to sell. This is the expert tip on LEAPS. We're going to turn it into a poor man's covered call and sell a call option against it. So let's open up that October chain. It's the option chain is 44 days to expiration. And what we're going to do now, we're going to sell a call. So this is a shorter term monthly call. We'll roll at about 15 days to expiration, 15 to 20 days out, and collect more premium. So we'll do this every month for, as long as we keep the LEAPS. But we're trading at 341 right now. So we can go out to the 380, which is the 30 delta. So this gives us a 70%, since it's the 30 delta. By selling this, we have a 70% probability of profit on the call, on the price staying below that 380 price prior to expiration in the 44 days. So you can see when we did that, we collected $1,015 right when we placed the trade. So that $1,000 that we can collect every month brought the cost of the LEAPS down to $67.12. So let's take that off again. Price is $7,750, but we're going to sell that $380, and we're going to click on the sell here on the left, and it's going to bring that down by $1,000. So 380, boom, 67.05. And that's how we sell a monthly call. We can do that every month, collect $1,000 a month, and we're basically going to pay this off in about 6 months, 7 months. So we hit review and send and place the trade. What are the risks with LEAPS options, and how do you manage the LEAPS option trade? Well, LEAPS are defined risk trades. So the amount that you pay when you buy the LEAPS option is the max loss. So you don't have to worry about the stock going to zero and losing a ton of money. The most you're going to lose is the amount that you paid, and most likely it's not going to go to zero. And even after you buy it, you're a year out in time. So they're going to be worth something and slowly decay over time, over that year period. So over a long time. So the risk is really the time decay. And here's the trick. What we want to do is roll at 180 days. So if we're still bullish and we want to keep that LEAPS option, once we're at 180 days, or about 6 months to expiration, we'll want to close that and buy another LEAPS option out closer to a year when we first put the trade on. Now, implied volatility is another risk, I guess, that you've got to take into consideration. It's not really a risk, but when implied volatility is low, LEAPS options, all options, are less expensive. So good time to buy when they're low, when IV is low. And when IV is high, that's when options get a little bit more expensive. But still, they're a lot less expensive than buying the shares outright. Now, the big benefit with LEAPS options is you can sell that short call against it. So that's another expert tip. Whenever I buy a LEAPS option, I'm always selling a call against it. So we can collect that monthly income when that happens. And by doing that, in less than 6 months, I can control that 100 shares for free typically because of the monthly income that I collect each month added up over 5 or 6 months it's going to pay the cost of buying that LEAPS option up front. I'm bullish Tesla long term, but instead of buying the stock outright, I'm buying LEAPS options to utilize the capital efficiently. Now, remember to like and subscribe down below. Download the free options workshop in the link below. Check out the paid course and leave a comment. Ask a question. I answer everyone. Let me know, are you trading Tesla? And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you watch this next one.